family did not support me. I left my job because of my new boss. She was rude and unfair. I regret telling my husband the truth. I should have said, they fired me, or they cut my position. At first, my husband supported me. He said, "You did the right thing. You don't need to suffer." But now, he complains. He says, "You stay at home all day. I am tired of paying for everything alone. I thought you would find a new job fast. I always dreamed of having a third child. I thought, now is the right time." But when I told him, he started shouting. He said, "You don't care about me. I cannot feed the family alone. I am tired of baby cries and sickness." He remembered the old days. We both worked, but no one could pick up the children from kindergarten. One day, we even had to ask our neighbor to take them home. Now our older children are in school. I thought, they will help me with the baby. But their father told them not to agree. My daughter said, "We feel ashamed. Mom still wants more children." My mother-in-law also did not support me. She said, "Your daughters will marry soon, and you think about a baby." I look for a job. I help my parents in their garden. I take care of the whole house because I don't work, but no one sees my hard work. Everyone wants me to clean the house, cook, take care of children, and also earn money. I spend almost nothing on myself. I wear old clothes. My mother sometimes gives me small gifts, a sweater and some cream. I regret not saving money from my salary before. Now I must ask my husband for every coin. I understand. In my family, I cannot expect any support. Every day feels heavy. I wake up early before everyone. I make breakfast, clean the kitchen, and prepare my children for school. No one says, "Thank you." When my husband comes home from work, he looks tired, but he still finds time to say, "Why didn't you find a job yet?" His words hurt me. I feel small. I feel alone. Sometimes I look in the mirror and don't know this woman. I see tired eyes. I see no smile. I ask myself, where is the happy me? Where is the strong me? Money is always a problem. The children need school things. The house needs repairs. But my wallet is empty. One day, I went to a job interview. The boss said, "We will call you." They never called. I cried on the way home. The street was cold. The wind was strong. But my heart was colder. At night, I sit at the kitchen table. Everyone sleeps. I drink tea and think about my life. I want to work to help my family, but I also want one more child. I don't know what is right. My husband sleeps in the bedroom. I sleep next to my daughters. Sometimes I hear my daughters whisper. I know they don't understand me. These are hard days. I feel like a guest in my own family. One morning, I could not get out of bed. My head hurt. My body felt heavy. I wanted to sleep forever. My husband shouted from the kitchen, "Where is my shirt? Where is my lunch?" I covered my ears with the blanket. I wanted silence. The children went to school. The house was empty. I sat on the floor and cried. I cried until my chest hurt. I thought, why do I live like this? Why does no one see me? I give my time. I give my strength. I give my love, but I get nothing back. That day, I didn't cook. I didn't clean. When my husband came home, he looked angry. He said, "What did you do all day?" I answered, "I tried to breathe." He didn't understand. He just shook his head and went to eat. No one asked if I was okay. No one noticed my red eyes. At night, I went to the balcony. The air was cold, but it felt fresh. I looked at the stars. I thought, maybe there is still a small light for me. Maybe one day things will change. That small thought kept me standing. Even in my hardest moment, I still had hope. The next day, I decided to try again. I looked for jobs on the computer. I wrote letters to many companies. I told my husband, I want to work. I want to help. He looked surprised. He said, "It is good. I hope you find something soon." I went to 2 more interviews. One boss said, "You are good, but we have no place now." The other said, "Come next week. We may have a job." I felt a little happy. Maybe, just maybe, things will get better. At home, I talked to my daughters. I said, I want a 3rd child, but I also want to work. They looked at me and said, "We want you to be happy, Mom." My mother-in-law still said, "You must think carefully." But I felt stronger now. I helped my parents more on the farm. I cleaned the house less. I rested more. I told myself, I can do this. I will try every day. Even if it is hard, I want to be better for my family and for me. One morning, I got a phone call. The company said, "We want to hire you." I felt happy and scared at the same time. I told my husband, I have a new job. He smiled and said, "I am proud of you." I started working again. It was hard at first, but I liked to have my own money. I liked to meet new people. My daughters helped me with the baby. They smiled more. Even my husband was kinder. I still want a 3rd child one day. But now, I know I am strong. I know I can take care of my family and myself. Life is not easy, but I learned to fight. and I learned to hope. This is my story. I am not alone anymore. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this story. Remember, learning English is a journey. Keep practicing every day. If you want more stories, please subscribe to my channel, English Stories with Alicia. See you next time. Bye-bye.